जैसा फिल्मों में होता है वैसा ही हूबहू कुछ हुआ at the dreamy wedding of Ranbir Kapoor and Alia Bhatt. So many moments celebrated, so many memories created. In case you missed out on the important moments from the wedding, allow us to walk you through a few highlights from the शादी of the year. तो आखिरकार छुपने छुपाने के गेम को खत्म करते हुए न्यूलीवेड्स रणबीर और आलिया पैप्स के सामने प्रकट हो ही गए और पैप्स को काफी पोजेस देने के बाद रणबीर डिड द अनथिंकेबल. And this was a once in a lifetime moment for the paps out there and even for Alia. वो भी ये एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रही थी. Her face says it all. Alia and Ranbir only took 4 feras around the holy fire as revealed by her half-brother Rahul Bhatt. As per him, they had a special pandit who made them take only 4 feras while explaining the meaning of each one. Interesting. रणबीर को लवर बॉय ऑफ बॉलीवुड सिर्फ यूं ही नहीं कहा जाता है. He literally proved it by doing this. Ranbir is sure setting the bar high for all the grooms to be out there. Another video of the newlyweds dancing at their wedding party is making rounds on the internet. In the video, Alia and Ranbir are seen dancing to Shah Rukh Khan's hit song Chhaiya Chhaiya. During their performance, Ranbir and Alia even managed to sneak in a hug. Sources say filmmaker Karan Johar was overwhelmed with emotions and he couldn't control his tears when he saw Alia dressed as a bride. और वैसे भी करण के लिए आलिया उनकी बेटी जैसी हैं, तो बाबुल तो इमोशनल होंगे ही. Apart from the bride and groom, it was the mehendi designs of Mahesh Bhatt, Neetu Kapoor, Ridhima Kapoor Sahni and Karishma Kapoor which caught everyone's attention. जहां एक तरफ महेश भट्ट got his daughter Alia and son-in-law Ranbir's name written on his palm, वहीं नीतू कपूर ने इस दिन ऋषि कपूर को याद करते हुए उनके नाम की मेहंदी लगाई. Ridhima and Karishma showcased the lovely minimalist designs they got. And guess what we noticed? Alia's name on Ranbir's palm. That's actually the mehendi of love. Do let us know if we missed out any highlight from this wedding ceremony. And do subscribe to Shosha for more updates.